load up and go get 'em.
Fiddler in an old string, and my baby plays the guitar. I play the banjo now. Oh, the North Country wind is just getting me now. I'm off the money playing poker, so I had to up and leave. But
we was back at it again, and we wasn't going to stop until we got some monster pigs this time. It wasn't long before we spotted a big hog down in the bottom, and we put the stalk on him.
just stay still for a second. The same. They're both boars. They're both about the same size when this one stands up. They're about the same. Yeah, put it in now. You want to get a little closer? Shot. That's 30 yards. If he looks up, you stop. When he comes out from behind those trees, go ahead and take him. Wait for him though. Wait when he stops. Whenever you're ready. That's a bad shot, wasn't it? No, it's alright. It's angled in.
The other hog that was laying in the creek didn't seem to notice because we used the crossbow, so I signaled for the rifleman to come on down.
Hold up, okay. Ready when you are. Where is he? He's right behind the rock.
better shoot again. Hurry up.
I missed that time.
Collar, hit the thing, Collar.
I've hit it 3 times.
You ain't hit him but once.
I hit him 4 times.
Alright, you got him, you got him. Watch your gun, watch your gun. Watch your gun.
Do I hit him again?
Nah, he's cool.
Oh my God. My ears are on fire.
Mine got an arrow in it. No, it ain't gonna be mine.
Oh, it did? Yeah. So it's a good shot?
Yeah.
It's a big pig, man. It's a big pig.
I shot him 4 times, didn't I? I shot 5 times.
You hit him a good many times. That's a big pig.
Daddy, I hit him 4 times, and I shot 5.
Well, my goodness, boys, this is a pile of pork right here. Goodness gracious, I've never seen such. It looks like 2 grizzly bears laid up here. Hey, they're probably bigger than grizzly bears. Braden right here got one with the crossbow. Unbelievable. I mean, little did we know that it was like throwing a toothpick at him because he's so dang big. And this one here took so many daggone bullets, busted up out of that bottom like that, come at us, kept just shooting until it went down. Man, you can't beat that. Action-packed hunting. I mean, anybody would be scared of these big guys right here with these big old razor-sharp teeth like this. What'd y'all think about that?
It was fun.
Fun, huh? Pretty exciting.
Yeah.
A little bit. they ain't much for talking on TV, but heck, you can't say much about it because I'm sure their heart's still pumping right now. I know mine is. Look at these big giant creatures. You just don't see this every single day. You got to come out here to Tennessee and just experience this. This is unbelievable. You ain't gonna find, this ain't your little pine rooters back home. These is big old mountain hogs right here, and they are coming at you. I mean, unbelievable, huge hogs. I'm gonna guess they weigh around 400 pounds a piece. I mean, a absolute giant of hogs right here. Good hair on them, big old wild hogs, and you just can't beat it out here. We're having an awesome time. You should come out here and try it.
This one here actually bounces off the rock.
Now this deer, folks, is a deer of a lifetime, and you can make it last a lifetime with Putting Proof Productions. Y'all give me a call, we'll go anywhere in the world and film you on your hunt, and you can show all your buddies exactly how it happened.